unlocking the mystery, understanding, to cast doubt on. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common but nuanced phrase in the English language, to cast doubt on. Whether you're a curious learner or polishing your fluency, understanding this phrase will add depth to your communication skills. Let's unfold its meaning, usage, and see it in action. To cast doubt on is a figurative expression used when someone wants to express skepticism or uncertainty about the truth or reliability of a statement, idea, or outcome. Imagine throwing a shadow, or doubt, over a concept, making others question its validity. It's not about directly saying something is false, but more about hinting that it might not be entirely true. 1. Cast. This word originally means to throw or send something in a specific direction. In our phrase, it signifies projecting something, in this case, doubt. 2. Doubt, a feeling of uncertainty or lack of conviction. 3. On, used here to direct the doubt towards a particular idea, statement, or belief. When combined, these words form a powerful expression that effectively communicates skepticism or reservations about something. 1. In academic writing or debates, when questioning the validity of a research finding or argument. 2. In everyday conversations, when you're skeptical about the news, rumors, or a story someone told you. 3. In the professional world, when questioning the feasibility of a project plan or the reliability of a source. Remember, the intention is not to assert that something is false but to express a need for further scrutiny or verification. 1. In news, the recent findings cast doubt on the previously accepted theory of climate change. 2. In conversations, his absence at such a crucial meeting casts doubt on his commitment to the project. 3. In literature, the protagonist casts doubt on the notion of a perfect society, highlighting the underlying dystopian realities. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, to cast doubt on. Next time you encounter a situation where truth seems murky, or a claim needs a second look, you'll have the perfect phrase at hand. Remember, language is not just about words, but the impact they carry. Keep questioning, keep learning, and of course, keep casting doubts whenever necessary. Until our next linguistic adventure, stay curious and empowered.